Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Khushi. In this video, we are going to learn about the lesson 5 of your HSC 12th standard textbook, which is what? M comme métier, M comme média. M for professions and M for media. Okay. Métier means professions. Okay. So the text is Trois jeunes amis, three young friends, Anne, Jean et Rohit parlent de leur ambition et de leur projet d'avenir. Anne, John, and Rohit are speaking about their ambitions and their plans for future. Project Avanir means plans for future. Avanir means what? Future. Okay. Anne says, Bonjour les copains. Good morning, friends. Ça va? So, are you doing well? J'ai fait un bon rêve. I had a good dream. I had a beautiful dream. So, what was it about? Rêve means dream. Okay. J'étais dessiné graphique très connu. I was a graphic designer very famous or very well known. C'est mon ambition. This is my ambition. Et vous, vous avez des projets pour l'avenir. And you have the plans for your future. So Jean responds, moi, je serai expert comptable car je suis fort en maths. Me, I am going to become an accountant. Expert comptable means an accountant because I am strong at maths. So, sare, it is future tense. Okay, future simple. Then, j'aime organiser et vérifier les comptes. I like to organize and verify les comptes means the accounts. Et toi, Rohit? And you, Rohit? So, Rohit says, Je voudrais être photographe. I want to become, I would like to become, I would like, okay. I would like to become a photographer. Ma passion, c'est la photographie. My passion, it is the photography. Je reçois beaucoup de likes pour les photos que je mets sur l'Instagram. So I receive a lot of likes for the photos which I put on Instagram. J'adore ce réseau social. I like this social media qui nous permet de partager les photos et les vidéos, which allows us to share. Partager means to share the photos and the videos. So, Abdel arrive avec quelques fiches. Abdel arrives with some sheets. Fish means sheets, okay? And says, Salut Abdel, qu'est-ce que c'est? Hi Abdel, what's this? So, Abdel says, Ce sont des fiches du sondage. These are the sheets of survey sur les jeunes et les médias, on the youngsters and the media. Il faut écrire la réponse appropriée dans les cas donnés. It is necessary to write the appropriate response to the given cases. Remplissez-les, mes amis. Fill it in, my friends. So the survey is about, as you can see here, it is given. À la télévision, je regarde. On the TV, I watch, and there are options given. So first option is les sports. These words you have to learn, and these might come in your passage or question answers. Okay, so be careful. Start writing down the meanings of which you do not know. À la télévision, je regarde les sports, the sports, les émissions de musique, the music channels et the dance. And dance channels or dance shows, broadcasts. Okay. Le journal télévisé. So, the e-newspaper sort of. Okay, so news वगैरह. And then, les films, the films, and les séries, the series. Next is, dans ce journal, je lis. In a newspaper, I read. Les nouvelles, the news. Les grands titres, only the big titles. Les petites annonces, the small advertisements given. Okay. Les faits divers, various facts. Les mots croisés. So, crossword. And the last column is à la radio, j'écoute. On the radio, I listen. Les news, the news. Les entretiens, interviews. La musique, the music. Les débats, debates. La météo. We have studied this in lesson 4. It means what? Weather forecast. And here 4 options are given. You have to write A, B, C, D in each of these. Okay. First is toujours. Toujours means always. Jamais. Jamais means never. Quelquefois means sometimes. And souvent means often. Okay. So I hope you have a fair idea of what this lesson is about. And here there are some professions given. We'll read these as well. Okay, so first one is architect. Il fait des plans des bâtiments. He makes the plans of buildings. On a besoin de lui pour construire une maison. We have the need of him. A besoin means have need of him for constructing a house. Then pilot. Il conduit les avions. He drives the aeroplanes. Il voyage dans divers pays du monde. He travels to various or diverse countries of the world. Then advocate. Il défend ses clients devant un tribunal. He defends his clients in front of a court. Il sait bien présenter ses arguments. He knows well how to present his arguments. And here it is a reporter. Journalist, reporter. So, elle écrit des articles pour les journaux. For the newspaper, she writes articles. Elle fait des reportages and does reporting. And the last one, médecin, doctor. Il soigne les patients à l'hôpital. He examines or he treats the patients at the hospital. On le consulte quand on est malade. We consult him when we are sick. And in the center it is given parlons des métiers. So let's speak about professions. These words you have to learn the meanings of which you do not know. Okay. I hope you're through with this video. You can rewatch this video in case you have any doubt. I've tried to cover it in as less time as possible. So I'm not repeating anything. You can rewatch it as and when you feel the need of. Okay. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.